investment because we all know that Uptown BGC is a prime location where everything is complete already. We have multinational offices in the area. We are surrounded by international schools, and of course, we are near to the airport as well. Aside from the complete lifestyle here in Uptown BGC, napapalibutan tayo ng mga naglalakihang multinational offices where you have your captured market already. Right now, I'm here in JP Morgan, one of the multinational offices here in Uptown BGC. Plus, there are plenty of international schools nearby the township, namely British School Manila, International School Manila, Manila Japanese School, De La Salle University Rufino Campus, and Enderon College. Kaya naman this is a perfect place and a perfect opportunity for you to start up your Airbnb business and rentals for long-term income. It is also close proximity going to St. Luke's Medical Center kung saan nandyan ang mga world-class healthcare professionals natin, and of course, we are 15 to 20 minutes drive going to Ninoy Aquino International Airport or NAIA.
Everyone can access BGC. At mas mapapadali pa ito dahil sa upcoming underground subway and the SkyTrain. This bridge was opened since 2021 and connected the two central business districts, the BGC and the Ortigas. Guys, meron din tayong malapit dito na si Kalayaan Avenue kung saan meron tayong access to C5 Road and also to EDSA. Alam niyo ba guys, meron tayong proposed SkyTrain na connecting to Guadalupe, Makati hanggang dito sa Uptown BGC. Andito ngayon sa likod ko, gagawin ang station ng first ever subway dito sa Philippines na nagko-connect sa Valenzuela to NAIA Airport. And the best part of Uptown BGC, walking distance lang tayo sa Metro Manila Subway, sa Kalayaan Station.
High-end lifestyle. Kung gaano kaganda yung quality ng mismong place na to, where you can live, work, learn, and play. BGC also has 0% crime rate and one of the most safest location here in Philippines. Kaya meron tayong maraming police station dito sa area. So on this part naman, ito naman ang ating transportation hub. Ito si Japanese Mitsukoshi Mall. This is the newest mall na tinayo dito sa BGC, and this is the first ever Japanese theme mall. So imagine if you want to explore, experience na medyo Japanese yung vibe. And from Japanese Mitsukoshi Mall, meron naman tayo ditong Landers Superstore, the biggest Landers here in BGC for your daily basis, also with the best quality. Dito naman tayo sa Uptown Parade. Siyempre, one of the most famous mall din yan dito sa BGC. So ano bang meron dito? Meron tayo ditong maraming choices for international cuisines and restaurants. We have here many coffee shops, bars, clubs, or resto bars. This is the nightlife for BGC because BGC Uptown never sleeps. Siyempre, dito sa BGC, we have many parks here even for pets or for residents. So like this one, this is Bonifacio Mini Park. Meron din tayong church dito inside the township, which is si St. Michael Parish Church. And just this November 2024, nilaunch itong ating first ever actual showroom ng Tesla. So this will be a game changer in our place and location. And lastly, this is one of the most famous mall here in the BGC. Isa sa mga pinaka-binibisita ng mga tao sa iba't ibang part ng Philippines. And meron tayo dito our famous dancing fountain with fire inspired by Las Vegas. Meron tayo ditong greenery rooftop deck. Meron din tayo ditong first ever cinema temper. And many more.
Luxury condo kung saan nandito na lahat. If you are looking for a pre-selling property, I'll show you Uptown Modern. Uptown Modern will be ready by June 30, 2031. This is the tallest and last residential condo here in Uptown. And we offer 6 years to pay, 0% and still no spot down payment. And if we are eyeing for earlier turnover, we have Uptown Arts and that will be ready by September 2025. So dito guys,
This is rent-to-own payment scheme, 3 years to pay, no spot down payment, 0% interest. And the good thing about Uptown Arts, it's top-of-the-line European brands, and it's very exclusive because it's 12 units per floor. In case you didn't know, Uptown Arts and Uptown Modern are both pet-friendly and perpetual ownership.
If you think Uptown Bonifacio is the perfect place for you to live in or invest, here are the 3 easy steps. First, you would just be needing your valid government ID. It can be passport or driver's license. If you're a foreign citizen, passport is preferred. Second, reservation payment of 60,000 for Uptown Arts and 70,000 for Uptown Modern. Third would be the closing documents provided by the company. For project presentations, marami tayong ways to discuss your preferred project. Pwede tayo mag-showroom visit, actual unit viewing, or Zoom if you're based abroad.
Nagustuhan niyo ba yung tour na yun? For more details, just message me below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. See you soon, besties!
Find the best property in the Philippines with Lux Manila.